All right, my social media followers, here we got these Cadillac Ats 2013. We just finished replacing these shifter cable. This is the cable that came out of this car. So if you are looking for someone here in North Houston to do your shifter cable, you can give me a call. My number is 832-618-7291. This is the new one already installed. You can see it's already in place, connected to it and everything. So give me a call. My number is 832-618-7291 to do any to make any appointments on these type of repair on any Cadillac Ats 2013. Thanks a lot.